Hey everyone, welcome back to my next art book preview video. This week we have the complete guide to drawing manga and anime, a comprehensive 13-week art course with 65 clear and easy daily lessons. This one's by Date Naoto. So a quick look at the front and back there. Let's get into it. So getting straight into this and onto the contents, feel free to pause the video here and take a proper look through. It's quite a large content, so I'm not going to stop and read it all out. But in short, it looks like we've got a lot of anatomy features, from the head all the way to the body, various parts, including clothing. That is all classed as the beginner level, and then it goes on to the intermediate section, which has certain things about 3D perspective, I guess, and posing and things like that. We'll see as we go through. I was actually putting off recording this book until I'd had time to study it a little bit, but I wasn't getting round to it, so I figured I'll get it recorded and sort of show it on camera as I'm looking through it. So hopefully if you've been wanting to buy this book for a while or wanting to see inside it, hopefully this video can help you. I've been after it for a little while, but I wasn't really sure what it would be like inside, so I never got round to it. It wasn't priority, so I could have done with a video like this myself, I guess. But in short, as the name suggests, there's a little bit of an intro and I guess some sections at the end talking about it as a business or how to practice, how to study, things you should do, things you shouldn't do. But aside from that, the majority of it, as the title suggests, is like a 13-week study, or rather a complete course, supposedly from start to finish. As mentioned as well, it does have like a beginner's exercises to intermediate exercise. It has a star rating at the top, you'll notice on some of the pages, like here, for example, showing the difficulty or the advanced level, whatever you want to call it. And obviously this one is aimed at anime and manga, as the title suggests. But I do like these kind of books anyway, because I feel like some of them still teach some fundamentals, and in a lot of ways they teach it in a more friendly way, or a little bit more interesting than some realistic books. And I got this book quite a while ago now, and I recorded this one, so I will put links in the description box below. So this is How to Draw Clothing for Manga by the same artist. And yeah, I was really sort of impressed with the way it broke it down, a subject that I really struggled with, the sort of drapery and clothing. So I really enjoyed the way he broke that down, and as well as that, like I was saying earlier, I found the illustrations a lot more interesting, a little bit more colourful, fun, more engaging, I guess you could say, than some of my other books of the same genre. So because of that, I had been wanting to see more of his work, maybe pick up more of his books. I couldn't actually find much of his work online, at least here in the UK. I know there's certain Japanese websites. Obviously, the artist is Japanese, so you can find him, but it's not so easy to find. So I looked, and most of it said a lot of his work is mainly in his books. And I know they're not gallery books, they're, teaching books, how to draw books. But I still figured, as well as learning, it was nice to actually own some of his art. So yeah, that's why I got this one. The books themselves, like his full range of books, seem to be really cheap. They're only like, I don't know, somewhere between £10 and £15. And as I always say in these videos, I will put links to where I got this from in the description box below this video. Anything you buy through those links does just help by supporting the channel. It just gives me a couple of pennies. Not a lot of money, but it all counts. So just know if you have bought anything through my links or plan to, then I really appreciate it. Thank you. And if you are new to my channel, I do have a lot of art books now, so just a quick plug and a link again below in case you want to check out any of these other related books. This one's a little bit more adult themed, as you can probably guess, so again, links in the description box. So as well as this one, we've got the drapery one shown earlier, and I know in English there is also another one. I think it's about either rendering or maybe it's about tools or digital artwork or something like that. I haven't seen that one yet. I opted for this one. There is one more in English as well as that, actually. I cannot think of what it is. I'll put links again or information below. But there's actually quite a lot more books available in Japanese. So I've seen them, for example, on Amazon Japan. Again, they're a pretty good price, but I'd prefer to wait until they're in English, especially seeing as 4 of them are in English. It means that, it gives me a bit of hope that maybe they will be translated eventually, sooner or later. I guess the better these books do in English, they'll probably translate more of them. And considering how inexpensive this book was, it's pretty impressive that it's almost 200 pages. There's not really a lot in terms of nudity in this book, but I have skipped some sections on like how to draw certain areas like the breasts and stuff, just because YouTube's been getting really strict with stuff like that recently. There's nothing particularly rude, but we all know what to expect from manga and anime, so busty girls for the most part. This book isn't too bad for that, in all honesty. Although chances are if you're watching this video, I'm sure you are more than okay with that kind of thing anyway. I believe one of the other Japanese books that hasn't been translated yet is more about like the business side, how to make money from it, but it could be Google translating it wrong, so take that with a pinch of salt. I quite like this end section because it shows a lot of his fully coloured illustrations or paintings. It is a shame just how small they are, though. I would love to see like a full gallery book from this guy. So as well as this being the more intermediate projects at the end, it also shows some study schedule examples. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful if you were thinking about buying the book. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment below. What do you think? Will you be getting this one or any others in the series? And aside from that, I'll see you in the next one.